Welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about how to turn off aeroplane mode option in our Infinix phone. Guys, you want to turn off your aeroplane mode settings, so means how can you off it? In this video friends I am going to show you. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to off your aeroplane mode option. So friends, you can see this type of setting in your Infinix phone. So I scroll it and friends you can see guys your more connection setting friends. This more connection setting friends, tap here. So once you can see that your more connection setting, as you can see your Bluetooth setting, friends you can see your OTG connection, and friends you can see your aeroplane mode also. So once you want to off, so you can turn off from this right side. After off guys, you can use guys your mobile data, you can contact with your friends, they can contact with you, and this icon will aeroplane mode icon will remove on your screen guys, you can see. So like that guys, you can turn off your aeroplane mode in your Infinix phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, we will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.